Madam, I'm rejoicing for the winner of Obaseki. I'm rejoicing for Obaseki because we have been preaching ever since. Now we are succeed. We succeed then. I'm happy. Yep. And so we are rejoicing. The victory is our own. And so the use of master was born in Marina. I'm akeke now we me done. I'm akeke now we me done. The use of master was born in Marina. Bouncy went for me. And so, and I fall in a cure now. I don't know, yes. Today Sunday is rejoicing for our new governor. I don't know when they see me come here. Oshomu pararo, ize yamu. Oshomu pakaro, ize yamu oshomu le. Yamalake mi no ma. Why da me yedo? Amala we mi da me o. Zebo shomule, ise yamute. Eke ave follow us on there, yamu. We are rejoicing. No problem. We are rejoicing. Now, we have freedom in Edo State now. Edo State now a full democracy. I want to Oshomule na gwalo o dakode ya mu Obaseki goto dere Ena ti Oshomule asena no dare yo me Yemi dan manile Laro kwari o ko yemi dan ile ewuye o Amariyo Bote. Kakebe erano migo today. Eko mu wayane. Aleru. Ona we no tell me no make it now fail. I want to show you that tell me no. ọjọ́ wẹ́ pépé ọmọ ọgbọ́n náà wẹ́ pépé ojúkòjúkòjú sì kàn é nẹ. Yes, I'm here. I'm on the way to David. Come now. Yes, yeah. Show me that now, Oshomule, Tapanwagire, Oshomule, Tapanwagire, Followers Oshomule, Tapanwagire, Amanio, Oshomule, Amanio, Oluwaludepe, Hallelujah. Oshomule fún ẹjọ́ mọ́, iṣẹ́ ìyá mú fún ẹjọ́ mọ́, ìlànà mígó. Ìbú àwùjọ ìrànà mi ẹ̀sán, ìbú àwùjọ mọ́, ọwọ́ máa gbé ìbú àwùjọ mọ́. Àwọn náà wẹ̀ mí sí àmì ẹ̀, náà wẹ̀ mí dá àmì ẹ̀ wò. Àwọn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí lọ́gbà yé mi wọ́n mi lọ́wọ́ gèlè àìgèlègèlè rí yóò bọ̀ náà o. Oshomule, I told you, say we will defeat you. I tell Eranomigo that we will defeat you. You refuse. Amigo, I'm coming for you. Itenue, mudawena ladian. Because enough is enough. Nike buwebwan. Urie web enoro wefo okun ya awu ire ulisti damoropa udego eno wa enwa okun be mu a mami all right aji awa mani lo sajari ona wa ere yare osego sego ako so tare ama wa yau so we are rejoicing. That's all. Oshomule watamiyo. Igo emi ya o ba mi akele tun eke igo emi ya. Owo o igo emi ya o. Sevilla o, digo Sevilla o, Sevilla o. Oshomule, eko ese, Obaseki eko re mo se. Ewo wo iko emi ya o akona ego yuta ma ko Luka ya ri oloko Oshamuna iko emi ya APC iko emi ya upon the way why I go say you people started sharing money 30,000 to people to vote. You people buy 1,000 of votes, but upon all, it's a disgrace to you people. I don't know. We have democracy now. Everybody, all Edo in Europe, they are celebrating. And yes, no one obey. Happiness is a free. Now, we Edos, we have freedom now. Edo now, they are rejoicing all over. Oshamuna iko emi ya dayo. Today na today na no. And to let me have you go. Now, I believe now, money is not everything. We people, we think that money is everything, but we don't know. Brother, well, be happy, be happy, be happy, be happy. Don't worry. Now, we have freedom now. We are those. Democracy, now we have democracy. Before we don't have. Igba emi ya o. Yeah. 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 It's very important. Now, all over Edos in diaspora, be rejoicing and be happy. It's not only Nigeria. We are supposed to be happy more than people that in Edo State. Because now, we Edo State, we have democracies now. We can speak, we have freedoms. I thank you for the Edos, for you people to conclude and unite together and fight this race, and we win the race. May God bless everyone, Edos over there. I thank you. I thank you because I worship. May people name be glorified. I use the Almighty God to thank you where you are and where you in. I thank you. We will continue to be happy. Today or Sunday is not enough to happy. The end of our life. That is when you planted something and that something will started germinate. That is what we started today. And we will continue to be rejoicing. We will continue to be rejoicing. Wait for me. I'm coming. My people, just wait, I'm coming back very now. My people, I'm back. I'm still continuing flexing and enjoying myself because ọwọ́ ma wé gbẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ náà wíyàn àti ìwọ̀ ọmọ náà wé gbẹ̀ẹ́ òṣòmúlẹ̀ òwe gbẹ̀ẹ́ wàgùnwé gọ̀ọ̀gọ̀ everybody ẹ̀yẹ̀ náà wà nù ẹ̀yẹ̀ náà nù ẹ̀yẹ̀ náà mi gbọ́ mo dàwẹ́ náà làdìyà because enough is enough. You have been insulting governor. You have been insulting Edo State. You have been insulting the people that support Obaseki. But today, the shame has come to you people. The shame has come to you people. The victory is Ogba family. The people that want to make Edo State to be developed. Erano amigo, Erano mieson, where are you today? Came out again in social media. Degbe ladian, unduwe mena ladian. I came out because of you, because you insulted me. Unati ebome because of itama wege. Imunaliwuna mafiti we First, where you, and second, wherever you go, loser follows you. Wherever you go, you lose. Wherever you go, you lose. I don't know why. When you go like this, that place, they will make sure that it's already loose. When you go to this side, that place is make sure that it's already loose. And an amigo, where are you? Why is it 6 on Saturday? Why is it there? When I block him, the social media, when I block me Facebook, when I block him or run, they comment a platform where when they comment a platform where not block because of it's a one-on-one, it go well. That's why he sought. Now you say tag no, you now you say take governor, but today we call. If father will be, let me go take Belatia. Era amigo, woman, that is Udore to destroy. Yeah, man. Anybody who go lele, a loser yaki. Because of Eboro Wegbe. Try. You know our deliverance. Come. No support is a yamu. This period of election. Where no voting is a yamu, even self. When they are with deliverance. Because he made a mistake. Few people don't vote in there when they are with deliverance. Upon all the money they use, but so lucky, God disappointed. Salobana yiko ya munya. Iro hia aje enage. Maya fefefe. Ni iro tewebo. No saloba yiko ya mwe. Eki maya fefefe. Anytime, you don't hear aje. Era no amigo, uchegbe wege. You are the people freedom movement. Meno, all the time edenai we people freedom movement. You are not a people suffering movement. Era amigo dame ome duma eminitase. He went from now going up. From now, you are not a people freedom movement. Have changed your name to people suffering movement. The people that supported you today, they are suffering now. They are regretting. They are regretting today. They are regretting. People that supported you, they are regretting because of a looting. I don't know what you are still fighting for, just because of a small change. You sell your destiny. You say that you are a human fighter. You are a human destroyer. You are not fighting for anybody. You are fighting for only your pocket. When I block him the Facebook, when I block him the YouTube, when I block him the social media, when I block him the platform we again near a comment because of in a comment here the platform we when I block him when I insult him but to don't come. I'm here to pass that insult to you again. I'm here to pass that insult again. But I will not curse you, but the insult that you pass to me, that your comment that you write, your supporter, the one they call destiny, You people started writing message to me that I'm idiot, that I'm stupid, that I don't know what I'm doing. But today, I know what I'm doing. Today, who is the winner? Today, who is the winner? I'm the winner. Like, I want to pass this message to you people. You people don't know what you people are doing that time. For me, but you said that me, I don't know what I'm doing. But today, between you and her, who is the winner now? I'm the winner. Either amigo, you are not a freedom movement again. You are now a freedom suffering movement. From today, let people call you people suffering movement, because you are suffering. You are suffering. You are not a people freedom. That freedom is already hard. Instead of that freedom, let people put suffering. People suffering movements, because people that surround you, people that are be supporting you, people that are be clapping hand. Today, now you put them in suffer. Muya you suffer. Muya you suffer. Mudawena ladian, nido gu egwa. Mudawena ladian, nido fire we. Tiewe one on one. Ma miegbe Europe, tama we. Well, no so is sorting there. Ma miegbe one on one. Ure Jemi, ma miegbe. Uritali, ma miegbe. Igu egwa. Well, today unko why. Today unko na is sorting governor. Na when nothing they happen. That where you say you put yourself in bondage again. You put yourself. You see you. Any place you go, you lose. Any place you go, you lose. Anybody you support, that person is must surely lose. That person will not win. Wana bobo. Obon wa ikpere even wa ga kpe before go na iwo wa if you born in your wana do vie born in your dere owo ma owo gbe we no owo ma gbe wa ya iwo vedena ina me kode wo ma gbe one on one ina ye fo ya kole epa ewé náà ni wúna máa gbá ọwọ́ ege ọ̀wọ́rọ̀pá ọ̀rìbà níyẹn yorùbá ẹni gbẹ but yorùbá ẹni gbẹ but wùjẹ́rẹ́ ege ẹni náà ti wẹ̀ wúwẹ̀ the Jew chairman ige ure dogbina ni chairman would advise, but today your advice has come be uncostable very well, just because of $800 you sell your price. Meno more message good now. Nous verrons big eminiga tamawe e ya konto pasi tamawe rere latian o ma eleti rere latian we enu he latian ige wow. Ina be tamawe awo ige the boy finu go here because of Obaseki ma mu gonu obo Nta ukpe Adamu iwe muda Obaseki ma rere mu gonu Obaseki ma se yewe ona fini weriye Obaseki ma mu gonu Obaseki ma se yewe oma mi ige se yewe dono enwuna we no affect ne a marxist but we need to a marxist when they do here the youth. When they do here the youth, so you for yourself and you disgrace yourself. Disgrace yourself. Et dans le sagé, there we were here. So why you cook bena? So umabuwa, you get network ma. Na ba gberu de gbe returning. You wa mu go. E wa tin. You na gbe ya ti do mo leluwa, na gbe ya ti do mo leluwa. E wa tin. There are many people that's suffering over there. Nabaya kpobole lugwa. Ono pa wa you tere na. Usabana do yoko ya muwaya. O sabogwa. Ne oba se kiga, ana do yoko do ya muwaya. Tere na iwo. Iko muwaya ne. Dere ọma na awe miesi ama emiesi ọma se le agbona. Let me remember you Don Osage. You said that if Obaseki win, you will run away in Benin. Why you here? What are you still waiting for? Don Osage. Where Obaseki are win, you took an lay dore. Why you here? Gia, where we are? Where we are left? Where we are left? Who's a give one left one now? Who's a give left one? Who hear me? Who will hear me? Freedom suffering movement. Where Obaseki are winning Ubu. Why you care? Enuta Mameniki, Obaseki are win. You go to Uyarukoro. Why you care? And the mayor said, "Hey, I will." And the mayor said, "Hey, I will." Wana you waya suppose wata wana tell you there we were.